One of the questions I've been asked a lot lately is, well, why is a facial plastic surgeon opening a wellness center? The answer actually started in the operating room. As a surgeon, I've always been fascinated by recovery. Performing a beautiful operation is only part of the equation. What really matters is how quickly and how well my patients heal, and how soon they can get back to living their lives with confidence. For years, I've looked for ways to optimize that recovery process. That's what led us to hyperbaric oxygen therapy, lymphatic drainage, advanced recovery protocols, and eventually, peptides. At the same time, I realized many of my own patients were already taking peptides. They were hearing about them from friends, social media, and other providers. Rather than simply watching from the sidelines, I wanted to understand the science for myself and determine where these therapies could fit into responsible, physician-guided patient care. As I continued learning, I realized peptides weren't just about recovery. They also opened the door to conversations about healthy aging, metabolism, muscle preservation, collagen support, and helping patients maintain their vitality as they get older. That's really how our wellness center was born. Our goal isn't to chase trends. It's to create a place where patients can partner with a physician to develop a personalized wellness plan that's supervised, monitored, and grounded in science. Because looking your best starts with feeling your best. So, what exactly are peptides? Peptides are naturally occurring chains of amino acids that serve as signaling molecules throughout the body. They help cells communicate with one another and play a role in many normal biological processes involved in repair, recovery, metabolism, and healthy aging. Rather than replacing what your body already does, peptide therapy is designed to support the body's existing biological pathways. Every patient is different, which is why treatment should never be one size fits all. Some surgical patients may benefit from therapies designed to support recovery and tissue repair. Patients pursuing medical weight loss may benefit from therapies that support healthy body composition and help preserve lean muscle mass while losing weight. Women navigating perimenopause or menopause often want to optimize metabolism, maintain muscle, and continue feeling strong and energetic as hormonal changes occur. Athletes and active adults may be looking for additional support for recovery between training sessions. And many patients simply want to take a proactive approach to aging, supporting healthy collagen production, preserving muscle, maintaining metabolic health, and continuing to live active, fulfilling lives. Every recommendation begins with an evaluation, discussion of your goals, and, when appropriate, lab testing, so we can develop a plan that's individualized to you. One of the first questions patients ask is whether they need to come into our office for every injection. Fortunately, they don't. Once we've determined which peptide is appropriate for your personalized treatment plan, we'll teach you exactly how to administer it safely and comfortably at home. The injection is placed just beneath the skin using a very small needle and usually takes less than a minute. Most patients are surprised by how straightforward the process is, and it quickly becomes part of their wellness routine. And of course, our team is always here to answer any questions and guide you along the way. One of the things I appreciate most about peptide therapy is that it's highly individualized. Different peptides are selected for different goals, whether that's supporting recovery after surgery, promoting healthy aging, optimizing body composition, preserving muscle mass, or complementing an overall wellness program. For many patients, peptide therapy is just one piece of one larger plan that may also include nutrition, exercise, hormone optimization, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, IV therapy, and other physician-guided treatments designed to help them achieve their healthy goals. Our philosophy is simple. We don't believe patients should have to navigate wellness on their own. We believe they deserve a trusted medical partner who understands both aesthetics and whole body health. Someone who can help them make informed decisions based on their individual goals and monitor their progress along the way. Whether you're preparing for surgery, recovering from a procedure, trying to lose weight while preserving muscle mass, navigating hormonal changes, or simply looking to age as well as possible, we're here to help you create a personalized roadmap. At RefinedMD Wellness Center, we're bringing the same thoughtful, evidence-informed approach to wellness that we've always brought to aesthetic medicine. Because when you feel healthier, recover better, and continue to invest in your body, the confidence you see on the outside is supported by how you feel on the inside. We look forward to partnering with you on your wellness journey.